Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mark Yagi, and I'm giving you a quick update on what's going on with MicroStrategy. Not a lot, frankly. It's just kind of sitting in this lulling period as it's waiting for Bitcoin to go up, as Michael Saylor continues to buy more MicroStrategy. And so there's not going to be a lot to this video, but I do want to show you what's going on. It's got, a few $1,000s in juice, and so I'm going to take it. So here's what I've got. I've got the 175 calls. I got 9 of those. So it's 900 shares, essentially, 9 contracts. And I'm sold against them. Those are expiring today, 900 shares or 9 contracts against those. And I got $668 a contract. So, like 6,500 bucks, something like that. Okay. Now, you take that and you go, okay, well, what are those worth today? Well, they're worth 14 cents or $14.50 if you look at the whole contract. So I got 668 and now I can buy them back for $14.50, and that's what I do. So I roll them to the next week rather than let them expire and then taking the weekend risk. Right now I can go ahead and lock in the next strike price. Next week, I've got the weeklies here, and you can see what I'm going to do is go about $10 out of the money. That's kind of my plan. I know I wanted to go to the 360s by now, but the stock isn't kind of performing. So I still can get $7.50 worth of juice, right? You see that juice right there, $750 a contract. So I'm going to take it, right? That's free money. And if the stock goes up 10 bucks, because right now it's at 326.80, if it goes up, 9, 10 bucks, I'm going to make $9, $10 additional on the 900 shares of stock. So this could be a double whammy if the stock goes up. If not, I'm protected $7.50 to the downside. But the $7.50 is what I'm after per share for the juice. That's my income. So let me show you how I do that. So I go back to my monitor. This is on Thinkorswim. And I just keep on doing this, right? I've been buying down this 175 call, and so I'm going to right mouse click, create a rolling order, which basically means I buy back the calls that I sold last week, and then I sell the calls for next week that I just showed you. So I'm going to do that. You can see it's a buyback of 9 of those calls of the February 21st, and I'm going to sell 9 of those calls I'm going to go to the 335s we decided, right? No reason to quibble about a few pennies when I just want the good execution, and I usually get a really great execution from Thinkorswim. So let's read it back here. I'm going to hit confirm and send. Sell 9 diagonal MicroStrategies for the 28th of February, and it's the 335s and not the 350s. That looks about right. I've got the execution, and I always want to go back and check my execution and make sure that everything's cool. So I don't have these 350s anymore, but now I have the 335s, and I always want to write down how much juice I get right at the moment. And it's $767 per contract, roughly $7,000, $6,900 shows you right there. So $6,900 for the week. I'll take it. See you in the next video. Bye. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.